Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Panama 2 in brushed cocoa. Unfortunately, I don't really know the exact year on this, or anything for that matter, as this is one of those models that doesn't actually say the year on the tag. It just says Casablanca. I don't know if the latest ones, or the later ones had, didn't have anything on top, or if the tag was just ripped off on this one, but it doesn't have anything as far as the year goes, and I didn't see any signs of there ever being a sticker, so maybe it never had one. So I don't know. But this was a pretty cheap fan, so but I'm very glad I got it. It's definitely one of the cooler finishes, kind of going back to Casablanca's brown that they did in the 80s, even up to the 90s. But it's a little darker, kind of a cool finish. It's obviously like kind of a chocolate finish. Not sure what these blades are, but those are kind of nice too. Kind of like how they're dark on the ends. It's not from dust or anything, it's just how they are. This light kit, I don't really love those. That's probably one of my least favorite light kits for Casablanca, but this is probably my favorite globe for that light kit. So even though I don't really like this light kit, this is probably the nicest combination for it, in my opinion. You might also notice that we're a little closer to the fan. I got another tripod, so I'm testing that out, seeing how I like that. But yeah, anyways, let's take a look at it. Unfortunately, this is W85, aka IT3, my absolute least favorite control system for Casablanca. But it is what it is, and I can't really convert it to anything else without doing a lot. I'd have to add a BFR strip. I guess that's really it, but I'm just not going to go through the trouble, because it wouldn't really be original and authentic. So let's start off with demo mode. I guess the thing that I really don't like about it is just the clicking. The control I can handle. I don't really like how, I guess it's not bad how the control's set up. It's different from W32, but it's not terrible. But the clicking is just obnoxious. I think that's so unnecessary. I don't know if, I'm sure they could have worked a way around that. Also forgot to mention that this light kit, unlike my other two I think that I have, those two have two like 60 watt incandescents. This one has a 100 watt halogen bulb. I don't know what my preference is as far as that goes. I don't know if there's, any pros and cons between the two. I don't know why the reverse isn't working. Oh, I guess it wasn't that. I thought it was. Alright, speed one. Wasn't sure if it was on or not. Alright, speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. can probably see if the cannons are on in the background. I think those are in view. Yeah, had the heater going while I was in here cleaning some stuff up, because of course it decided to snow in April. Speed 5. And it was just, it's an absolute mess. Like it was a combination of sleet, snow, and rain, freezing rain, I guess. Alright, can't fix this. Another thing I'll add is this flywheel on this. You know, I mean, the blades are pretty well aligned too, but holy cow, that flywheel was like perfect. Yeah, I'm looking at where the blades actually mount to the flywheel, and I can't see any misalignment there. Yeah, I like this design for the light, for the globe, kind of like a mushroom design with a little spiral on it. Yeah, man, perfect. Alright, let's do spin down. I'm not exactly sure how bright this light is. I know for the stealth is definitely plenty bright enough for our standard room, you know, 15 by 15 maybe. Well, about 15 by 15 is, you know, about the size of the room that you'd be able to light that. Anything bigger you need other lighting as well. But for some reason this just seemed kind of dim. I don't see why. I'm sure the glass is about the same. Same color, probably about the same thickness. The bearings are in really good shape on this too, as you'd expect from a fan that's under 10 years old. Well, I don't know. I mean, I've had some fans. Oh yeah, Canon for instance. The one on the left, the bearings are not seated right, so it kind of binds up some. And the one on the right is starting to make some excessive bearing noise. Alright, and as much as I don't want to test it with 4 blades, I am going to swap it to that, just because I want to see how it looks, so I will be right back. Alright, I am back. Here it is with 4 blades. Not a bad combo, but not my favorite. You know, actually, these globes look really good on Whalias. That's something I just remembered. This combo looks nice with those. Alright, so yeah. Move this page over. Take a look-see. Yeah, so I got this kind of like rubbed darker side or end. And it gets lighter. Yeah, see, it doesn't have anything there. Alright, and let's do demo mode. Start moving the head a little bit. I'm guessing that's everything. Now let's see if we can stop it. This system is very unreactive. I don't like it. But I'm not gonna mess around with, doing board swap and such. It's just gonna be what it is. Alright, let's go speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. Seems like it kind of turns off when it goes to speed 6. I don't think it does it for any other speed. I wish this picked up a little better. I need to get some better lighting because this is much darker than it's showing up in camera. It's actually quite a beautiful finish. Yeah, man. Alright. And spin down. I actually don't think I like that it remembers lights in that you had on even after you turn the control off, because then it doesn't go straight to full brightness. It does it with the fan now, I think. Maybe it does it though. Let me check. Maybe I should turn it off. Huh, yeah, I don't know. Spin down is of course very long like before. Alright, well there's my brushed cocoa Casablanca Panama 5. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.